What? Of the world, it's not a plan. Hey, what you are going on? Hey, franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know it go already when I come to represent. Full effect thing. You know it go already when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a load explosion boat ya. Watch me, man. You know a Gaza favorite, don't it? Watch. You know the people's champion, don't watch. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Right about now, I see some little boy I go like them want get bright, So I come out and sound the big thing, them and I say, yo, if I did 2016, 17, Alkaline on a draw for I doing upon him show, and I go like a lie, me I tell. Him never do it down there already. And him draw for Shaggy and Sean Paul and I up there, and him they draw for I Donor. You never see I Donor come out on video and I big him up. You know what I mean? And I say a unity thing him not deal. They ever hear him come out and give the man no farmer big up now, no farmer shout out yet. What not talk about? Or not go like a lollipop thing man I deal with. Yo, I ask you something. Can I tell man about man bad mind the man film show? How can you bad mind somebody where you and them not in a no business whatsoever, both physically, mentally, practically, naturally, actually, not even fracturally. So I don't know what I really talk about. You understanding yourself, because you have to know 10 star, now not even a drip of bad mind blood in him vein, Watch it, because a spicy word to bomber or a clot. Yo, listen to me good, and don't get this twisted, you. Yo, I'm going to tell you something. I never bad mind when you not put him up against Vybz Kartel. I know the man in a prison longer than him whole entire career. I never bad mind when them a thief Vybz Kartel flavor and a thief Vybz Kartel pose them and a thief the man image and everything. You sure me I did and still not give the man no respect for it. I never bad mind that. Yo, I never bad mind when I hear him come out and I tell Winfred say Tommy Lee, Gage and Massacre thing Lily bit. That wasn't bad mind because I was just a new artist where does come. That's a bad mind. Yo, I'm showing you something, when I not talk about bad mind, no one I do, Remember I'm do batty washing, and the public, beat him feet, when Sizzla Kalonji come out and wild out about him and Gage with that thing there, And, it almost killed Gage's career, Remember, Movado, the gully god, go defend him, I mean, I see none of them jump up and defend Movado like that on the internet, and I even give the man no respect, none at all when him respond to him career, and hold him up, and save him from that little thing there, It sound like a who no bad mind to me, and it sound like who no show no regards, none at all, Because I not even show Movado no respect for that, So I don't know how now come chat to man, Yo, me tell you something. Yo, if a Gaza keep showing a stadium, it's impossible for it keep one day, Because I have to remember, a 9 years and change what a hit song World Boss have where him never perform yet, make nobody see, So now if you know that can't happen in one night, So the whole week Gaza I'd have to have the party in a stadium, We are going to give the Gaza you them girl them 2 nights run it off and the World Boss run it off 3 nights in a row consecutively, Because one night couldn't enough for the people them, and too long the people them are waiting mind and to the demands where them are going in, So when I try to get that in our head, and don't get things twisted, Because I don't want me to, not talk about bad mind, not clown. Gaza no bad mind, nobody in a dance hall. If I got Vybz Kartel bus, the most woman in a dance hall. Yeah? And every day when I hear Spice go on her camera and make you know that. So the general put her wish party there, big billboard hits. She will come back that area and we set even Jada Kingdom, big billboard hits, album she dep on it. Where I feel like I think a lollipop thing, I don't feel like a joke thing, I want to take the World Boss thing for some form of gimmicks business. When I joker, man can bust so much girl and man in a dance hall and I come and talk about bad mind who for what? And all known a dancehall artists where in Jamaica, not gone around the world boss, not even do what the world boss do. Remember 5 years ago Fever drop, and this I'm going to hear the big news shout out this year a goal itself. Are not joke or not idiot. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to chat say. A big gimmicks thing I should go on with it now. And it don't make sense to me, you know. I don't know what I chat about.